So the way to do that, we don't need to use the eyedropper tool. We select the brush tool and simply with one finger, you just hover over that image, and whatever the color is underneath your finger, that is what will be selected. So if you see at the top right hand corner, when I release it, the top right hand corner, you've got the white panel, a white circle, that is the current color. Now when I release my finger from the screen, it's going to change color, as you can see right here. You can see that the color has been changed right here. Now again, let me show you with the color wheel panel open. Once I hold the screen and I let go, see it's gone to a lighter brown, and you can see the details there on the color wheel. So there's no need to be using this, which is the swatch tool, the eyedropper tool, sorry. You don't need to use the eyedropper tool. You can simply just hold your finger over and drag, as long as you're using the brush tool. Okay, and you can get whatever color you like from there. I hope that's helpful. And finally, the right click. Since there's no mouse, how do we get the context menu? Now, say for instance, I want to duplicate, let's say the high frequency, and let's keep it with the low frequency layer. So with that selected, all I do is use my finger, hold on to the image itself, let go, and up pops the context box. And the context box has the duplicate, copy, paste style, cut, paste, delete, group, invert, pixel, selection, etc. You can read for yourself. And that is a very simple way of